If you think Ipamorelin and CJC is just a growth hormone stack, you are missing the biology. The most important thing of Ipamorelin with CJC is not that it just raises your growth hormone. The real story is that it works on your body's repair pulse. Growth hormone is not meant to be flat. It is meant to rise and fall as waves. Deep sleep, training recovery, tissue repair, fat metabolism, lean muscle, collagen turnover, all these depend on timing. And as we age, the growth hormone pulse becomes weaker. The wave loses the power. And that is where Ipamorelin and CJC becomes so interesting because CJC acts on the permission signal. It works through your GHRH pathway and tells your pituitary to get ready. Ipamorelin acts like a pulse signal. It works through your ghrelin signal and tells your pituitary to release now. Two different pathways, one repair rhythm. But here's the part most people miss. Your body has a brake and it is called somatostatin. So the goal is not to smash the gas pedal. The goal is to create a cleaner pulse while respecting your biology. And Ipamorelin is interesting because the research shows that it works on selective growth hormone secretagogue. It stimulates growth hormone without strongly pushing cortisol or prolactin like older compounds. This blend is not about more hormone. It is about cleaner signal. Less noise, better rhythm, and smarter repair. But only if your body is ready. If insulin signaling is poor, your sleep architecture is broken, your inflammation is high, and your recovery demand is too high, then peptide are not optimization. They are expensive noise. And that is why right markers matter. You don't just track your HbA1c, you track your OMA to understand your insulin signaling. You track your fasting insulin with your fasting glucose because glucose alone can look normal, but while insulin can be high. You track your IGF-1 because it shows downstream growth hormone axis response. You track your HSCRP because inflammation can block repair biology. You track your morning cortisol because stress signaling competes with recovery. You track your sleep efficiency and deep sleep because most growth hormone pulse happens during deep sleep. You track your body composition, not just your body weight, because the goal is lean tissue, visceral fat, and recovery. And if your goal is performance, then you track your grip strength, your muscle mass, your training recovery, and your resting heart rate variability. Because peptides are not magic, they are biological instruction. And instruction only works when the system is ready to listen. And Ipamorelin with CJC is not a shortcut. It is a way to speak to that rhythm of repair. But that rhythm should be measured, supervised, and personalized. Life Reversal's mission is to bring evidence-based biology to the public so that every person can track, understand, and optimize their health before their symptoms becomes disease.